Hi everyone, K My Heart is in your heart, and today's video is my day off. I'm gonna show you how I spend my days during my day off. So I'm here at St. Joseph. First is I attend the mass, and we have today is a second week of the Lent. So we have the station cross and follow the service mass. So after that we have lunch, and after lunch we have a Bible study. So sometimes we do a hospital visit to our fellow kababayan. So because we need us, like we pray for them, we comfort for them because we are far away from our family. We make the rosary. We have here the crucifix and the image of Mama Mary. We have the beads here, blue and white, the small beads for spacing, the image not clear. And we have the medium size of blue for 10 Hail Mary, and the big size of blue for Our Father. So the string that we use, and we have the needle. So now we've done. So we finished this one rosary. So this for our giveaways during first week of the month for the birthday celebrant and wedding anniversary. We give it away. Unlock it. It's close now. It's a rosary. Pamigay natin to after mass. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone.
Disciple, ano kang mag-bless? Okay, so first reading.
Hello everyone, may bibisitahin po tayo ngayon dito sa Kungwa Hospital, yung pong Friday Choir. So dito po tayo ngayon sa Kungwa Hospital. Today we decorated because it's El Shaddai anniversary, 32 anniversary. So we are busy here. So I'm here in Cathay Travel, so we inquired for the China one-day tour. So let's go inside. How much per head? Good morning everyone, I'm here now. I'm going to Pier 6, so I'm going to Ping Chau Island, and we have the Station of the Cross today. Yeah, we are going to Ping Chau. We have a Station of the Cross today, so we are waiting the ferry to go. In now we used our octopus card. Let's see how much is $36. So we go. The fare is 36 Hong Kong dollar. A lot of people here. So in front of me is the chaplain chief, migrant OFW in Hong Kong. Father Jerry is with us. Done our station on the cruise, so we are going. Fresh air. So ito po yung EIA. So, and the first well. Today we are going to Ali Ali and we are going to buy pasalubong. So Tess is going back to Philippines for 1 month vacation. So this is what we are going to buy to Ali Ali. Chocolates. Oh yeah, we are going to buy a chocolate for her. October, November. So Rona's behind us. Rona, hello Rona.
Hi.
Yeah, so let's go guys.